ebayeshe medika kan kire say since yetwa mu 2008 Nyankopon adom yefra de bi social media enti se wo ye nipa bi udi mu wo man na upia bonten se wo kasa na wan kasa yi a kan we say the social media and the network does not forget. And to say the tibia the obeka bia na ebetimi akipu ai na yenom so asabio enye internet na didi agrada mo me the experience na nam so no di obia ye prebi atwa mu bia no so ikusu aye kai ene me ni nua OSONOBA Nana KOFI from MALTA ene ye bedi nkobo ene we are coming to tell you mo anamum ji ni da bi no whom Mahama is why Ghanaians has made, I think, why we consider Ghanaians they have made the biggest mistake in their life. Yenim ne pain. Yemi OSONOBA amanyo seb. He actually knows all the parties and what they do. And then anybody come up. Now you compare a comparison of what has been going on in this country since then and what is going on today. Ebedi come up. Timesho said that be no ba na watrance. No apa konya bi atrance na wa like video no. Na wa share na wa comment so na mahu achi afefe. Said e be ya. Said bi obeka ye ho na di twumadie abro said e se na fata. Minwi OSONOBA me makwa aba.
Yeah. Raz ye che oni atiefo nwumre yi.
Atiefo nyina je osusi ni ama. Na boko de.
Nyame adom. Bibia boko. Ene yenin komo kakra. Na ene yen koma ye die. Yen starting free Bible mo kakra.
Okay.
Ubie Bible no Echo Hosea chapter 4 verse 6.
Yeah.
Bible no say my people are destroyed or lack of knowledge. My people perish or they suffer. Okay?
Yes.
But
see me hopa mi ti opa.
A Bible verse bia. Okay, nkanya. Na wan tena si anwene anko akiri a. Obefi say ye tra keke. E ka wasempa. What's a lack of knowledge?
Make my people perish.
Now knowledge, you know, you funny fahin. What be say say knowledge? NDC for ba more. Yeah, the knowledge. Eka Ghana for one. School some NDC was drain one. Dabi. Pesa ubenya knowledge. Pesa ubenya hunumu ubenya nimdie. NDC nim pesa ube to me ready. To me akin kan bibi ati bibi ase. Dabia no pesa uye choboy. Yay. Yenimi, yay.
Hey, now the actually.
Chiaba, yay. Now the actually.
Yeah,
so what you say?
Yeah.
And this NDC bedi or mine so na obeto no mapa or botugu. That is NDC for you. Now, and you remember sembi kakra minia. The most painful thing in the world, and they say, the most painful thing in the world says seeing somebody suffering, but they don't see themselves
responsible
suffering. No, you can see them. Okay, seeing them suffering. Say nipa wedie. Aso papa baby awotie every day. And yet, and so no amu na wada sa ademu no. Onim sa dia ono da no enye mano. So what am I saying?
Matu say pa.
Nipa no baby awoda nyo. Wa wu twam no wahu say papa yi maami enkoye
ne tibremu nye.
Ne tibremu ne dabremu ne life ankasa no is so pathetic. And you're very wrong. And you're dishuman. And you're the part. And so no amu na woda ho no. Wo bo say. And such people, some NDC, degraded Ghanaians too. NDC makes you to listen and adopt and believe in their propagandas.
Oh, na say o so fa kura no be kan chira o say o hoto a obeji atum. asem we ya wo kan mi ju nipa bi come hu Ghana fo bi no en na omo nam se dum so ni Ghana.
Thank you. Sankanya sa ni ya nipa ya ye Ghana fo a. Anka, could you believe we said obi abeti koko so obeto no 3.1 was it 2.5 or the abro no and also saying Ghana and so saying 3.1 and yet Jimmy Ghana for sabi ebi ma dwen aba from 2 to a form crowd to extend they say omo dwene nsiso a na Julius Debra ko gina so dem su na ye boy nsem pra minia wankasa assembly obi a wo su hi o ye na asem o kan ye di asem debe ne wom ni ye boy nsem pra
Microphone na your mo certain sa akoseti even Yankopon so fear.
Thank you. And now this evening, wow,
yeah, me too,
I want people to know, say, in the year 2024, on the 7th of January 2024, when John Mahama was sworn in for the third time, Onope and Wakita sa akofna Ghana, okay, yakofna 3 consecutive times, or 3 times in history, okay? Now, and that was so, when John Mahama was sworn in, I said, oh my God, John Mahama is back with the NDC. I phoned somebody and I was telling this person, say, John Mahama is back with the NDC. And guess what is back? And guess what is in government? And guess which people are back? I told this guy, number 1, Dumso is back. John Mahama is back. Me repeating who said these are the realities and the things that we should be prepared to live with, because this has come to stay with us. Message Dumso is back, which is blackout is back. Incompetence is back. Corruption, bribery and corruption, me say it is back. NDC is back with lack of creativity in the system. Unnecessary expenses, it is back. Me catch in Crawford say unemployment, on payment of teachers and teachers' allowances and their salaries. That is what has come back to sit on Ghanaians. Me catch almost say non-payment of government workers, it is back. Almost a needless introduction of taxes. It is back to stay in Ghana for the next 4 years. They thought, say, I was joking. Now, sa normal me boss we no. You become you can't me boss we you become mako. These are the issues that has come to stay with us. Non-payment of nurses. I said this on the 10th of January 2024. Me say it is back. Sorry, 2025. Sole sourcing of contracts is back in Ghana again. Divide and rule among the NPP, among the accounts, among the southern part of Ghana, it is back. Divide and rule, divide and conquer. It is back. Create, loot,
and share
is back. Empowering and inciting violence or vigilantism is back. I told the people that the NPP, the NDC, and John Mahama is back with insecurity. They thought I was joking. I said it is back to live with us. I said to the people that blaming and linking previous government to everything they cannot do, it is back. They will be doing blame games. And then are they NDC ni fanshe NPP ni or NPP government? Okay, it's the only thing on fanshe NPP government. And they say, "Ebia what did the man abroso?" Okay, and I neyerim kwanya nyede.
And I say, on the best MPP.
Hallelujah. Adibiara anchor so well for the NDC right, okay, or the best NPP. So blaming and linking the previous government to the current situation, every problem, okay, I told the people, say it is here to stay. Now, the NDC is in government, serving the interest of NDC first, not Ghana first, not me and you first. It is here to stay again, serving the interest of the NDC. Political party NDC is back. It is here to stay. Inti you need anything ordinary Ghanaian or one Ghanaian? No, NDC first. I told people that discontinuing of the ongoing government project is back. Ibini agenda 111. Ediana John Mahama beto ya watu waso.
We're joining in Agumurem. I'm in Fantia, and Mammy Esther, Mammy Esther Kibadi, Mammy Makwaba, Sasa, Mammy Ama, no one so Aquaba Yepa. Cinnamon to us, Ethiopia.
Yo. And the things that are back to stay with us, irresponsible leadership skill is here. Irresponsible leadership skill. Now, family and friends leadership is here to stay. I told the people, firing of previous innocent workers is here again in the NDC under this current government. They did not believe me. Culture of silence is back. We are living like we are in the military regime where people can express their feelings freely. Illegal mining, popularly known as galamsey, is going to be worsened, and this is what we are seeing right now.
Yeah.
Tell me if I'm lying.
No,
changing and rebranding of old policies from the previous government is back. We are living with it. And I told the people that the liars are here again. I said, buying of the media and civil society is back. Non-payment of school feeding program, it is back. I told the people that disregarding of Ghana farmers, especially the cocoa farmers, the rice, the other farmers, it is back. They will be disregarded. They will be disrespected. Intimidation and violence against the opponent in politics, it is back. I told people that ghost names in government payroll, it is back. The oversize of government, as he claimed 60 ministers,
the
slim, thank you, it is back. Listen, now, people did not believe all these things. If I was a prophet, people were going to say, yes, indeed, you really mentioned it. Under 2 years, everything that I've mentioned, at here for comment session, baby, I will tell me that this man is lying. Everything that I've mentioned is back. Now, you can also type over there and say, Mr. You forgot to mention what is back again. You can say, this is back. You never mentioned it. But the current situation where everybody seems to be voicing out any doom so.
Ethiopia. Said open
any doom so. Minia. I will say, Mamenka asemiya ni asem aroho. Share me offer say under John Mahama on inside just like because akolai if you're not generator is here and yeah juma or not for the now for no if you ekokosua through that okoye homework okoye classes okoye way asikafo omo mantam omo generators omo mema take advantage of yen the poor people like yen the generators are the candle edition adie.
Oh, I see. So
yes,
ubesua de o mfie dia ne yeah. Agora
Dumso na ekoso say na sabi tibon kosofo bi entiase ehunu the impact omo fi say wo ma na aside fridge mu nko a na e ha omo ono fi say ono was stuck in traffic light enya adwuma no minia the basic needs for Ghanaians in 2026 basic electricity basic.
Yes.
Common. It's supposed not to be a topic of discussion, but under John Mahama, because he's an incompetent, because he has failed and he keeps failing, electricity is now expensive product.
And a luxury something.
Yes. Now John Mahama is taking Ghana to be like Nigeria. Under Akufo-Addo, President, Your Excellency, that Nana Unkwaso. Nana nyame emfam fie bebre enka wo fie ho nyame nana I was saying Nyankopon ma Akufo-Addo twam 99 years because Akufo-Addo is an angel. Mame nka asem kakra dumso abai obi twe camera no de si nanim obeso defend ade a eyetum okay ade a eyetum ya dum light. And so was so camera a defended. Now me can simply say the impact of Dumso is not just on the economy, but it is affecting the local people.
Yeah.
Share uyo ba yam sabi Accra, Ghana, yeah, almost prokesim. Ensuo electricity near the power ensuo. Electricity and near the power ensuo. Electricity and near the be beer or crokesim. We are Besia, we NDC ni or whoever NPP ni. Could you believe say Sabi Obabu Ninsa Minia? Now on never now I was of framing me about Mr. More light to her was I was you was I was on 90 miles or kilometers to go to the next friend. Eko Jari. It's as Oba. Until I'm a shas ya say. NDC magana for abe hunu bibi to say ade bi ebesi ade boni bia ya ade papa na make say the most painful thing na ewo wiase ne say obi ho kire no na hu na onu hu ne say o hu ne say eya ho kire
yeah.
These are the basic things minia eya reho mako down to minia and eya nkono mabobo no ma all these things but Dumso particularly ne a canipa the sunny ankasa canate na cani any hono na ya drain obi akra and na so that so can a friend say light beba and a light na ba ni ababetina I say internet and o cell phone minia a day I want who no phone so drive okra upia bontina wo ja phone etu fia na I said there bibi akababi obe so why empty
yeah
we say hey my phone oh okay then you rush back home and take your phone sana electricity akoye John Mahama ye dada it's na me catch say John Mahama is back incompetence is back and they will put every blame on the previous government into Dumso way na and you may almost say ebe taking 2 to 3 years to fix Dumso look at the shame. Aren't you ashamed of yourself, Mr. President? Aren't you ashamed as a leader who had the goodwill of the people, who had the goodwill of Ghanaians, who even was seeking the third term some few months ago? Your people, everybody was saying, Mahama third term. Look at you. One said, Karma, aspect in. Adia woman opposition. Yet now opposition here who did the biano, and then it is here to bite them. So me know called the impact of Dumso ebeya rohosem. Beya rohosem. And normally be bring one ye hunin na okay ye nyina ye ya we won say hunin bibi na unia bi I said we are hammering on only one thing over and over. Ebasa kra nya debim.
Yeah, of course.
Mamemra fie kakra regarding Dumso. Meaning mamemra NPP. Ye fie nkomo kakra. Okay.
Me too.
This is the time I am asking, where is the NPP leadership, especially unim monfancha me nyesa me the confusion and I say division and I be bisa don't me bisa sem wo yo ye nua honorable Kennedy Japan or wahin. The question. Look, or wahin to extend the say papa we to no mutuo 2025 eka say he will not and he is not prepared to criticize John Mahama. Now, my study na basi na me no kase. Obi a we NPP ni OSONOBA pa bia no, pay attention to this. We nye hatred. We enye we nye internal politics. Eye asebisa. Say, Honorable Kennedy, our hene fan up to now. On to me mount a platform, ni Facebook wall po on to me chere honka say, John Mahama, you have not done 1, 2, 3 well. This man used to be very active in terms of so over criticizing the NDC government. Even though what if Samoko, okay, a ton fiasam life, but where is he right now? Kennedy,
in fact, I think say on a sector, how you well invested, are your friend a fishing sector. Cold store name, why I think say they are the people I necessarily we ekosui. I have very direct you direct I can say
it's affecting him. Yes, but where is he? Where is he? Thank you. Yes. Ask yourself, say nipa way opeyen ye. And I had the next party my baby wayen. We are step bisawo. Okay. Onimisa ofrima obeha ya adwen. Otenamuso a ohayen. Enti owomu no, where is he? What is his role right now? Every NPP member or parliamentarian be a topic. So almost mobile, there has been no scandal. Never.
Yeah.
All these things that I mentioned, they are all scandals. They are all things that the NPP, the NDC has brought, and we see them. But the biggest scandal, they say, person who say, "Dumsonaba, ampampa so eden aba." You being the NPP leader, no, who him for? We are living with a friend say, Abubo, you're from Abubolan's government.
Yes.
Abubolan's government, Tawakoto Abubo Yadi Biama police for. Could you believe we say or the Abubo Yadi Biama police for?
Papa ne de na sem no de odwene ho awontiasio.
How do you chase a criminal with a tricycle? A tricycle, what do the Ghana police? Oh? Go and look at it. Go and look. Ghana police. Now what team no down there anyway. John Mahama or the Abubo Yama, your friend is saying. Prague Yama and your friend is saying. Ghana Police Service. Nipa way.
Such a shame.
Very shameful. Very, very, very shameful in this current 2026 year. Amaya Maina Kuko Omanimono Ubito Mercedes ambulance well equipped our day bano. Would you also better than Aboboya?
Yeah, Aboboya.
This is the time I'm expecting, I was expecting, I have been expecting, I'm still expecting Kennedy Akompre Japan to stand up, to come out, to even say a word against John Mahama. And we are one thing I'm expecting. Agency. Agency. Look, Yanko incompetence. When they say John Mahama is an incompetence government or a president, it's not about only his lies. He's an incompetence to extend the say. He cannot correct, he cannot fire, he cannot even do anything to any of the appointees because no NDC na dignity. And to say appointee be a bone na ote ho no I to say penny bone away in from no that's your friend saying Mahama for you. Ni incompetence na ye kan nyina no wo ma surround no and the form because why he lack leadership, he doesn't have that quality, leadership quality. On to me kase and ye sector nipa ebo wachi. Okay, into sadie way, say, and I say nipa way, mami mi na fi ha kwa say. He lacks. And I make us NDC na dignity or do NDC ne sene NPP. Sorry, sene Ghana. Yes.
I got you.
Yes, the incompetence no. Now, him being incompetent is that he is able to lure the people, okay, to his side. We are now what also he lied to you or that movie are after no creative joke. Now I'm now what was said the incompetence aspect of Mahama na ye can say, oh, nani tuya pefe. Sir Charles if was say enkwala eni aduane di yebe mo makofie. You know what he does? He calls leadership of Charles. Na ba show bi afun mu ma. Hey, kawano tum. Okra wo kasa dodo. What you say?
Matisse, amanfo etim mo say the free education obetumi aka officially say agu, but they don't want to announce it. Yeah.
Mamentwe ye call lack of creativity. When we talk about creativity, the NPP government is number one. Me young kanoma NPP abanya ye nyina ye nim. Okay, we know all of it. Say in Ghana, listen, we in Ghana's upbringing, we never built systems. It is say Europe, oba bedrua, oba fight ya pe unkrata, obi adru America also okoye ni green card and all that. Enrochi ya ni build one system yetumi identify ye honka se we ni Ghana card. Ya build a system. From Nkrumah up to now, until we never build system. But when the NDC is not creative, I mean, NPP creative, you make us a creativity. The NPP create. Me found kwachi. When you might be a friend, a year of return.
Yeah, minimum year pa.
Year of return, 2019.
Yeah.
And NPP creates the way. A welcoming all foreigners.
Yeah.
America celebrities. Oba ukroma utuya millions and sana wabano. Ghana de omukra pacha wansana omaba.
Yeah.
Yakase Will Smith eba Germany krapo na. He needs they have to organize. Nipa tuya sika koshe womo. Okay? And so Ghana oko your friend say elimina cast on amukra na pacha also person okokoshebi. You know who brought it? Is the NPP. Now or say your friend is saying celebrity no oba and you don't namo or the net dom or a musician now oba Ghana net dom because a year of after the year of return you can't see car I fetch Ghana banya John Mahama baya still a ODB now you'll be marveled, you'll be shocked. Just the year of return kwakeke yam famon kwachi and your Ghana card and then you free senior high school year of return. Beyond the return, Afrochella, Afrofuture. Abeku Santana yen nim say, your friend is saying, Ado ya odi kwadu. Medinatem, because or you're very ungrateful. You created the way, yes, the way. So no, he was part of the whole team. Now or sabotage. And then Abeku Santana, when your position. Now no, I was say the NPP did well for bringing year of return. Anka ubi se NDC beso daye da ben to me create such initiative da ben pa.
Instead of them to create something, they are rebranded. And the microphone don't do any to almost well,
So what you say? And the lack of creativity or creation of or bringing something that can generate money, they don't. You know what? The NPP built your friend is saying the NPP built the house, the NPP will build the bridge. Every day, the NPP will build that monument. Then the NDC comes in and paint it. The NDC, yes. Yes. Why are they not no or so? Okay. Sisi ho we are now the man say tinaha didi ho sheso kakra. One knew how to create BB and say, oh, idea way there. Yeah, mana asum Ghana, you know. Now, winning BB on the same creativity now, they are lacking, you know. They are also stingy and so selfish to extend. They say it pains the NDC. Say, oh, yes, sika puduo, they don't want to do it. Yes.
Okay.
Say, oh, yes, sika in $1 billion or even whatever amount it will be. And can say, idea way there, may bohun come and Ghana, he will not do it. Because corruption is back. Because unnecessary expenses is here. Because they are thinking about their girlfriends and concubines. Yanko introduction of needless taxes.
Okay.
Obiso the one Ghana city Edia to your friend saying doom soso. I free be doom so levy. And think a hefa ananka was ye the sumo. One Ghana no one account to pay.
Okay, so the more video yeah, a man for a can once say it is a solution to do so. And more.
Many of fabo.
It is saying that Ghanaians should give one Ghana city each when they buy a liter of fuel so that we can end doom so. That's all. One cities. All of us should contribute 1 city. Just 1 city per so that we can end doom so. 1 city. Each of us, when we buy fuel, 1 liter. 1 city. And Mr. Speaker, it is not e-levy.
Yeah, we out
said you see say 1 city per.
1 city per. 1 city per.
Unim. Now why all my dream more hano officer 1 city na a pale. But on nan you check nipa dodo e woga na obi atua 1 city.
Hey, 1 city per liter and you 1 city per gallon.
Yes. So what you say? Per liter and you the toast war. All these things, all these things are able to real. And way couples should not be like a political show. Where reality, yes. They lack accountability. So 1 city year 1 year 4 months in it. 1 year 5 months. What is say? I told force in parliament. I can say 1 city na J on top of your friend saying every way be say na fuel no. Say ni yenya. Near the say.
That be on count once to go in and Nikura.
And they brought needless taxes. And then ultra plane ticket ewo Ghana from Accra to Kumasi crowd extra $50.
Wow.
Yes. Ultra tickets from Accra.
I'm a print ticket in a boy at the
Yes. On charge 100 Ghana or charge $100. You'll be 1 month full salary ewo Africa. Ultra ticket fee international from Ghana to any nearby country. Over $100. And unim Wama Etina Meka say he's back with culture of silence. And some bossua baby.
I hear.
And payment of teachers, Minia, maybe also Mekatrokov, it is back. Now Mufi say, teacher for you know what? John Mama, your friend say automatic posting aba. Licensure exams is going to be cancelled and all these and whatever. And yet 1 year 4 to 5 months you uncle foka okoka osimacho. Now adeba koswa I'm on culture of silence. The very time John Mahama ejina platform eka say wow bekasa obe criticize the government, you know, or the YP address becho no. And one make say John wafeli. Eda enyumre no kan sa asem no na make say John wafeli because I know all the things and the tricks are they back. And ne Ghana ni person kasa osheni shoulder osheni beti wada ne kon ansa wakasa osro ade a Ghana ni pe e won life Ghana ni ade a won pe wo chiri e police station na any hospital na se Ghana ni nisika na osi ehia ne crowd e ja no nam ne baabi saa bia mienu we Ghana ni bia chiri saa bia mienu we ne krampe hospital na and police station na
Yes.
ne pastor. What you say? And if the incumbent government, you know, ekase ono to me nyina kita no no, ekase unim na oye hwe mechewa, minia wano wahi. And the ordinary Ghanaian no, to me express. So what you say? And right from the beginning, you know, I know start a culture of silence. Say, hey, kawano pado, uka mecho. All these, and no mama bossy, a 30 of it. It is living with us. We are living with it as people. Just soul sourcing soul sourcing. Now minister na mutu maybe say no soul sourcing. No mama only 46% depend and the soul sourcing.
I say without impunity. On
Cry. One more be to say only up to 46%. Now mean you are 54 now akade. Osi anu dey for bede and ye the mama omo. Soul sourcing. Ye frewa and the contracted ya bankro for ye frewa minia. So we NDC ni nko ade. Obi wa wheelbarrow po onibi. And so your man 2 million your contract worth of contract ye adwuma ye man.
Na nye yewu na Mahama na kan say wheelbarrow contractors no more adwuma nye no.
So what you say? John Mahama ye nipa bi a oye trofo. Ne feeling call abi. Oni na obi a owi ankwa mu na mu ewe me ebo no. Because papa bi a
oye den
owi ankwa mu na mu wi ami ebo no. Time o sa no. John. Hey. Yes. Me of about call lecture say na say John dey ye nyina because no o mu nyina ni ye. O say John, owi ankwa mu na me abo no sa. Enti e feeling call abrem dad ya mafa, ma dia mafa. Ano de anyia na mo politics abedi president ti krono no de e woni mojam yes ye de wo no wo wi ankwa mu na mo say this guy ye de Ghana share nsa no me yamu share me yes that ye de Ghana
president otimi wi enamu nkwan mu na mu de
nin kwala bremu no wi ankwa mu na mu je ebi ni papa discuss to na wa me na make atro o papa discuss to na wa fa na the club and samonesa when ye the or the your friend say akolabo ni yin ya be ye pani bon no de na mo
ya say ya na ye nkura brem say de tie na e diri nyini be ye pani.
So what you say but nipa bia no anka wunyini na udru at the age of 40 e corner e was so abrabo esesa.
You start no matter what, like a man, responsible man.
Responsible man, take accountability. Start to live as a leader. Eho, ufi 40 kono, and you can say, worry ya. Now what's that? Now I can say, hey, akoi, see, now check you brabum. But John dear, 16 not just say, your tia not. He came to create, loot, and share with his people. That is when they have introduced soul sourcing. Unim the creative lutu sisi ye nyina yahu abobo ya okoto ye.
Well. And
Yes.
then they cry, the poorest policy president. But now Uko India ni Asia, my moi. They want to get rid of those things because a chikronofa.
Unim ene udru Ghana anajo ukada an time keke Ghana anajo motorbikes Niger for Burkina for onte twi onte brofo unkan kran ya onte French na bi muka ana odi okada airfan nkrofo di wo mu fi point A to point B motorbikes nkwa aye basa crime bebrebe wo Nigeria estate bi okada obi fa obi oba odene ko village bi oduru kwan so no yi sekan da ho na me no da. It started from there. And then Ghana, John Mahama legalizing Okada for no problem. But what Niger for no, wouldn't be Niger for no do omo be year to trust him. Okay? Or do omo cross the border no edo omo bam ebe year to trust him 2024 elections. And the Niger ni Ghana o yache. On na nabati so because area hono ne uncle bi ne brabi commander oho. Or a street commander because of John Mahama. Now, almost a creative, your friend is saying, loot and share on Mahama's care. Now, ask me where they got the money to fund Mahama care from the National Health Insurance.
Honor first can be free.
Yes, of course. NHI is sick at that. Anna John Mahama side. Or they are creating another one now. Your friend of Mahama care.
Mahama care and Kasankasa Devon Pan and Fasoben.
Now, wouldn't be. One would say, yes, me could be a man come here.
Well.
Oh, you see, Obia or policy at the kind of it will be Mahama care. That is any D Mahama Dumsono. Ababe kataso ana ni jina care no krapo ya wa launching pa wie na dum so yi ayiniti enti there name Mahama policy opeso create bibi e ka se me ba ye no me policy ni na do de ne free senior high president Kofo ye friends national health insurance and other things enti me so John Mahama de me so bi de ana ni jina because adwen ye taichiri ya adwen fi adwen bone na nyame yi won so ahahan. Wokoto ambulance abagana. She ambulance out the back.
Mahama care said that. I didn't tell Mahama Kado Obama. I go with Uncle PBB.
Very good. And the opposite creative BB and look at him. Nenimo Guase. Mahama care na go yede. Mahama has failed. Wakoto Pragia. Now one more. Obi a wakoto Pragia no. Oh, Pragia ambulance the back anyway di machi. We now nam grab on so ye convoy akase no. Omo kwa na Kufuado, your friend is saying President His Excellency Nana Kufuado na your friend say no ne ba obi ambulance ayeto ye no e dey do o machi. Na me bisa asem ene yure say say we NDC ni we Ghana ni a bisa ho question say your friend is saying health minister ni din kra akando yi ujidi say obeyare ana ne baby beyare me na to sa ambulance we mo bisa ho sa question we enti ujidi say Sami Jamfi beyare say Sami Jamfi ko village say wo mo dey ko villages yemfa ni say Sami Jamfi ako village ekoye campaign na owo kan kra po sen asamoto MP na ono ni village one ye this Pragia na kwa akosi no NP no on tiase enkwosho sa Pragia we no enso Ghana ni ate no ho ase se Pragia no wajiatum because lack of knowledge because aban no ni good will no atumia achichere woma to extend the said ye Mahama beka bia no say nsem fo kra na wo ka na ye boy nsem na me din kan kai no. Now, divide and rule. Uni madia NDC ya omo ye ho ade pa. NDC is very good in sowing division. So we are OSONOBA enumerate me. NDC for you very, very good in sowing division among especially NPP4. Sir, we base here, the base here, Raz, the base here,
Aye. Yanko dine chihoko huye.
Yeah, hono, yeah, Kodanati, I only forgot my we aba. Anything can buy any about the same cry na base, you cry in the bar politics. Why can I would base? Yeah, your base, your base,
Daya chihono ma yanko huye na samra say political name.
political name.
Well, you know,
What is it?
yeah.
Nipa bit in the baby no or join one. O say have the base cry in the bar politics. When your base for new base near normal. So what you say? And fire home and from home. Now would the base. You know who brought the base? The base, you know, a NDC project.
Like really?
Yes, young fan show be a may say will be a the obi to me shows division pan in NPP. Omo say so or the base base at the end share base in so members in your NPP form.
Yeah.
NDC ni be any way base. No.
On a NDC for the mono Mahama Chawun Tikurana, they will still support NDC.
Thank you.
There be a mechanic say a money broken heart. A money what is called broken heart.
Thank you. And NDC ni bia no John Mahama onamwe o ni ferry o te sebe ashawo ni ba NDC ni bia ni ferry a friend is a ferry asem o we dey means me trust and I say let me o ni ferry o nani so sanka ferry e wo omani so a and come behave in a certain way or to say sebe jantra ni ba sa na NDC ni bia tie. Now the base, your friend say almost project. Almost just to make sure say the NPP get divided. By the time you be through 2028, na NPP, your friend saying, you mu achebe and son, I said nine. Now you vote, ebia ko di base, na ebia ko Alan, na ebia ko ni say, said the bay on before. Into one would divide, conquer, and rule no ebinie. Into na ode or yetu abawiye asantefo ni any problem with the Brunos. Brunofo ni problem with, but they tried to sow division. As your friend saying, ahim fuachi kakabitira no. Oto yo hey to be man no. On to me nyo she Ghana ni yo no. Hey ya wabamu unim ye beba bamu na ye empower nkrofo. Okay, kabitira no. Said the beya wachita for being so your hene also war. And somebody be brave one and your hina bupona unya yanko beka on campo, but because of political power, any money, a tire trinity. Now you call papa nana ajima abadu nikromu. John Mahama call your call lunch 24-hour market. What you assume okay? Was on one pet 24-hour market because when him say 24-hour market. Mahama on to me see we know next nipa kra akwakoto ade sa na anajo no. Nana ka kire ni o mani hunu say sebe na adwemu do. How your here so. Oka kire say unim agenda 111 isi mehuna no he be miensa. Adenti na wonye no mfa ma. Na me nkrofo yare ye nya ba bia akwakosa ye ho yare na Mahama nim yi. Yewra Ajimambadu etumi ehu say no. John, when this was it's adwene da wotrim it is sebe entatia wadwin so agenda 111 we any project we complete it for me. Now John etutu papa so into one divide, conquer and rule omo de aba akanmamu unim bibi the Evers, the airways, any nodness, especially the Evers. One more problem. Problem in Ghana.
Yeah. Say, you can't talk with him.
Yes. Aunani NDC wenia. It's not about the NDC now we're winning. No. He feels to say the others has won against the accounts.
Yeah, can't.
Yeah. Because you're saying nothing. That is how it is. You're saying nothing. Into one would divide, conquer, you the rule. You see, that tactics are NDC FOU. Enti uye osonoba ma wadwi mu na hopa. Yemu bino ya mompa say they should fail and sign yaba power. Dabi. But wamanga so munyuma no wamunsem omuka wo opposition no. Ana faili womo. Ana lead womo into all these problems. Yanko empowering and inciting by vigilantism. Minia, obia omo aka se omo ye to trafo. Ye ka sound some ka say Benin for your friend is saying Burkina for Niger for ni adi nyina abegu ho no abegu Ghana no ene basintali pese opie na or yes or kyerɛ sɛ or power no afrɛfrɛ motorbikes be 500 no atɔ petrol ma obia asi yɛmfa yɛntwi mfa krom na ɔmo hu sɛ yɛde adwen nya adwuma yɛyɛ tutrafoɔ. We can intimidate. Yebetumi bully the NDC. Enti omo empower na omo incite vigilantism. Nkwasiasem. Atrutrasem. Chane sekan. One sekan. Fa babono. Because oye NPP ni. That is the NDC for you. Because of that, insecurity is in Ghana right now. Now we are out to the AC. Taxi driver niekuno. NDC ba more. All these things, especially the insecurity. One more, and now you doom lighty. Meswa ahomache 6 or kwa could be in a store. Aya will be in temper because of your friends and or your friend is saying your friend station tax station ho. And opa 5:30 or guys all more mabe that store no nim no mo twen car na obako at the second and so agent the phone. Also tiema meku aje phone na dwane. Into insecurity abagana. Yeah, Bobby Bisa blaming and linking every problem. Unim dollar kofom dia. Hey, John Mahama ya die. Dollar ba for moi. CD ahoden so tia. Dabi enya John Mahama. Dum soba John Mahama enya ono. Light jina so a John Mahama. Na oblemu bibia or the blame at the to NPP so. Entiminia. Mommy Hunu said, all these things that I mentioned, that it has come to stay and live with us under this leadership, this current government, because he has fired more than 30,000 workers. Right now he's still firing them. ECG, because they think say NPP, your friend is saying, appointees. Sa na omo koye ya omo yi pilot omo ye experienced edifi ho ayi omo de young pilot koye nipa 8 ko wu ye no ene omo matena ECG for so many years. Engineers omo nim de engineers they are qualified to work at ECG. Also omo ye NPP for nti wo yi omo di enti me no mi enu dum so we ya ba da ban ye be so bo. Ask yourself, we are Ghana ni a omo te ho no omo chinchin fidie no omo nim fidie na ni so no. John Mahama say omo ye NDC, NPP for until you omo free ho. Let me touch on Galamsey, illegal mining. Yenhwe Galamsey. And then NDC by Galamsey, meaning akosi say. NDC by Galamsey, akosi meaning. Me say bisa ho say NDC ba mo no Galamsey akosi aye ko
afempo na ekoso kese pa
I just say ensuo no say ya na say And you mean, ye kase, ye koswa, ye bekasa. Na kakra ye beka aka ho bi emuni se. Da bia ya bitu ye nuanom NPP fofo. Se momien ka ye homom. Momien ka ye homom because CCR no, the traditional media no, the NDC has been able to buy them. He has been able to conquer. Who ye media personnel wagana na yitua oka. Apart from who waka tuani amount private sika ya amount 15,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, man.
He say monthly ni amount 15,000. Eh? Oh bekasa.
Okasa ye de misika na owiwe.
Enti won kasa. Enti yen NPP for no. Ye hu say yenua bi ete said ye yenua ma for wa create sa platform we. All border row. Oni ye mu bi di nkomo. Wo so wutie to me do comment ba. Etumi kɔ baabi a listen NDC for mu tie wɔ ha pa. Ɛkɔ nsɛm a yɛka na ɛkɔ baabi a bebree. Okay?
Yeah, well.
Enti we yenua bi bie platform a yen koso yen support no yen share wo links, okay, na yen to me and comment na yen subscribe on yen my no, they should grow. And the NPP for this is the only way to communicate. I'm telling you, say 80% of the your friends saying your friends say traditional media na Ghana no 80% NDC afashe the bottom. It's mumia mo yen create channels on YouTube, TikTok, and all over. So they can also grow. Kakra yensu yebetumi na yetin sempa ewo ho a, okay? Mami emfa nhye botom yenton ema ne nko. Hwe ensem ni bi wo ani etwa de sinsin ni enso de TikTok. Papa yi koka say John Mahama wo de bekai. Wo de yenka no Eko ba bia o ye NPP ni. So what you say? These are the things ye beye e de aboabo ye ho akeka ye ho nyina ye den abom. Because the NDC is there to serve the interest of NDC. Enye yen NPP for, enye yen Ghana for, ene hwehwe minia. Say en seminal edoso. En seminal edoso. Na the person ye meka me de mano ba yi ni say. Me de mano ba wi mensami. Say ye betwa so. Na mamemfa minister we emfa way Sam George unim na agenda yen yatie Sam George pese or register new SIM cards enye for bibianti or the pay data of Ghanaians na 2028 their reggae elections.
Wow.
Yes, the ultimate aim nyina because they believe we say o register Ghana for ubehunu number of nipa e wa mining ubehunu nipa dodo a e use network we die nie ubenya data ni nyina because unim want to mean create anything data apart from your friend is saying
registration.
Yes. And so we are Ghana ni we NPP niya Sam George pa unblock mama ni block wo number o sim, okay, catch say crache wo sa wo sim registration okra no menye because one kasa mu no wo si woni Ghana card wo Sam George so woni Ghana card into oba otena bench a obo esra owusu obo na chi ade amaami be bia nye Sam George fe and then look at you and you me frɛ Ghana mania ofra I said ye enkrofo bo twene e wo ba bibi me say minister say na dia na ekoso say na me so mada o I say they wo ho say because network na say
wow
network under Sam George communication minister. He is one of the failed ministers. The most failed appointee of John Mahama is Sam George. The most failed is him. Oto data go phone so now say me call Ghana oto data pe na asa who de befa same thing energy minister anokra de kon John Jinapo. NDC for you inclusive for to extend the say because of Eddie John J. Gentino. Nipa no wa bon krapo na because Oye John. Because he's affiliated to the name John. He's a John. Into your man position. Because Oye John. Oye John Mahama. And John Dumelo, John Dumelo, anyway, John Dumelo kwasi animu or Chichamo as a minister because honestly the John or John Obi or JJ in NDC and also in your position or ambition to become president or Jane or John. You get what I'm trying to say? Anka John Jinapo, we are on way John Jinapo, we need dear there on energy. There no for energy to minister your friends say or head the entire system or energy sector.
Okay, John Jinapo wasem my entire video way. Now my hwene the entire ebrapa nyina asem okano yen taking it serious. Look at just say omo kan sem ye no ha ebinom say because of transformers or more day omodisi babi ebinom so see that be antisa a lack of fuel in the system. The same government is giving two different reasons why there is so in Ghana. At different point though, we see a transformer, we see lack of fuel. What is the real issue? Now Ghana journalists for a tip on cost for baby. Oh, Ghanaian journalists are easy to work, to indoctrinate. Ghana journalists before, you can tell them how to speak on the media.
Mami kasem, mami fa we ntwam kakra. Ghana wahu. Minia, obetumi akoton awudro ama oman ni nyina, oman mu ni nyina die awu.
Yeah.
Obetumi de awudro akọ Ghana, nipa ni nyina beto ama mu nyina bewu because adwen no wo form.
No, we like critical thinkers.
Yes, adie bia odi be wura Ghana bia ye bebo hu dawuru e de ama wo FM so TV so. Ye beka say FDA for agiatum. Na we mo these are the people from journalists no. Now obeka say FDA for FDA agiatum onye nhwehwemu aduane we ni effect e de beba just say ono na bia say wa sorry na kwa adware wa botaya na so wa hye na tare akotena wonya bia ka akenkan. That's it. The journalists now na ene media show crop na koye political show. Now we say your journalist for Ghana. You need journalists.
In fact, the one mama this same way by because one will say sadum so when I go so Ghana and the journalists what they are talking about dum so no more come wasema.
Aye.
They demand and they say they need tap table. Oyare uti o maimu. Ye do more Canada.
Aye.
Instead of you to seek to restore the light, these guys are demanding for timetable.
Timetable. They have accepted it.
They have accepted the problem, and it's like the main problem is timetable. Asa, light name chrono. Who you journalist? Mr. President, why should you let my basic need, my most basic, the baseless need? And when AI, why would you project AI project? Why there is no stable electricity energy in the country? Oh yeah, what about that? Where do you get that? And
very good.
For a timetable.
Very good. And on NDC chairman, NDC chairman, I say don't get here, say, listen, they are lying to the people. A Sidana engineer to me say, when ye a friend is saying, one noom sergeant a year friend said, transformer we are on to me fafu forever missing. What's what to be that? Woman Kasomo party chairman, no, I say don't get here. Because or one presidential ambition, he has now in a way say he wants to stand and people will see him. Oh, okay, I said the or can be. Oh, yeah, oh, Papa, wait there. He stood for the truth. Sana opeso ye no, but wakano kre. Say, omu tu putro agugana fuoni. I see you don't get here. NDC or kofa by phone. NDC has seen in Naso for so many years. And then was say John Mahama or you're incompetent. negligence on the government side. John Mahama, inaction. These are the words of Asiedu Nketia say, inaction of the government. Or say he sacked all the people and put his stooges. Where do you know his stooges? I don't know. Share. Other your friends say electricity. Yes, offices near there. And Asiedu say we NDC ni now one party chairman is Asiedu Nketia to be sorry. Way. Now we are Ghana journalist. We are software. We are wine. We are henny. Now we to meet Nasika say oh the BCB and CD because we be Ankoswa. And then I mean a bit
brother, do you know something that I'm much worried about? I mean, Akuya Afro, Wakwaba Yepa, I want to say. Okay, Ghana Cocoa Board, Bra, Rendia be caught now. I will take key decision, say he's going to sack all the people, are not Omo here, Juma civil servant, Omo here, Juma for many years. Or the Omo Mokotana fear of society for Munimu. I don't want Cocoa Board ho. I na menusuntia yeti na koko adwumabere na osenko munika nye precision omoanya nam so a ema koko ne bo etebafo se wo kai pa that is the same thing what is going to happen at the ECG because say almost the person or the CEO of the ECG or I don't know the gringo or whatever almost say on trace they say they want him to sit aside for a while now. A threat and they're very dangerous because this means he said now they are going to involve someone who maybe does not have even the qualification to be the CEO of ECG.
Yes.
You know, and the consequences is a disservice to the people.
Correct.
And the CEO Ghana Cocoa Board they're going to do the same thing at the energy sector. So this tell you that this improve way now, it is not about the state. Now, how dare you to come and tell me say Akosombo, Ashe, MPP and a Koshe. Now, but you want that evidence, arrest the person. Arrest the person. This person born Akosombo or young people, arrest him. Just like be young people, I did be a basic organ and know that we are no every negative as young people. Why?
Osonochi niabua. Yes, Osonochi niabua. Osono babia hoden. Yen yawu yesi wa yina brane. Okay? Yen yesu sakra no yawu ye nekra no. Na ho yesu sen moa bebrebe. Sa nti wona mo na wo yi. Yawu osono to ho. Osono yawu ne nge. Osono wadi 30 minutes was as so no oso sen emo bebrebe. Into who are hinda dada. Yes. Who are hinda dada. Into the ebesi bia. Yes, akwa we ono so.
But my energy minister in the video na fire na kakara akwa we.
Due to underinvestment over the years, this has resulted in overloads, low voltages, and recurring outages. Government is addressing this issue head-on by implementing a nationwide transformer upgrade and replacement program. As an immediate intervention, this month alone, we have installed almost 200 transformers, and we have the list with Roxanne. He will make that available to you.
Flashback.
So if ECG suddenly tells us that the whole of Ghana, our transformers are overloaded, and their maintenance work is no more daytime, but rather between 7 and 11 p.m.
Hey, internet never forget.
ECG, they do not even carry out maintenance in the night. They do regular routine maintenance in the afternoon. But if ECG now tells us that they've changed their system, and now they do all the routine maintenance in the night, and it's on daily basis. So East Legon, every night, they'll come and maintain the transformer. Every night. I mean, at a particular time between 7 and 11. I mean, no. It just doesn't add up. They should credit us with some modicum.
So the issue isn't maintenance, management, or financial?
It's a management issue, political interference, misuse of the revenues accruing. It's not as if
Political
revenues are not
issues.
accruing. As you can see, almost 1 billion collection a month. It can do a lot.
Well, Auntie Papa we, I don't know yet the Minister of Energy. Bra,
What
no
what
opposition.
who say? What who say? What who say? Adi asema Bronika asembi say karma is a bitch.
Okay.
Karma is a bitch. Karma can fuck anybody at any time. Sorry to use this word on your platform. And he can visit anybody at any time. He does not care. And he pays back. They say he's a bitch. He does not know the size of whoever, whatever. Utia wosoka, Utia mawankasa feeling who say ampa we die utia mekankasa.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ebina aye John Napono. Shenano sekyo. Ninkwasi animu a wodichina wa wabotai. A wojina opposition. Kasa unnecessarily. You see, they spoke to the length. Crowd more to me say, and some ye idea inti ke. Oman kasa mkoshi omo say stubborn at your friend saying academy for.
Yeah, yeah.
Omo to me tina so omo say, na ya nsema ye broso yi. Kakra kana to me bedi yensa. Ya be fa. Aya no mo referee say. Shape no mo timu no ye wo captain bi your friend John Mahama.
The incompetent
the most incompetent, the most corrupt leader president in Africa. The most corrupt leader that Ghana has ever had is John Dramani Mahama. The most useless, stupid president is John Mahama. Without any sabi, you're not too sabi. So what the ship, Now o captain Jimmy no, o captain Bruno no munsa de biasa, O captain, de bia no wa ehi. Ufi se hen na ship moko.
Captain, no way.
Yes. Captain, your family and friends. Captain, baso belu to their ma onuya minds ni ade. Captain, basa Ghana taxes ni esika yenya no. One na busuya anywhere ya. John Jinapo sika kra o aye ma obi ma mfa nkonkoto emfa nra energy sector ho. Ene hwe de o ma ye friend say education ministry no. Because our political ambition. Haruna Idrusu, our political ambition. So ononso ebreso a obesori a contestibi. Shede omodi ayeno. He has connived with Atoforsen. I'm telling you, say Haruna Idrusu, nipa bia onimade pa onimde. But onyasika to fund education ministry. Ebina John Jinapo, okay? Nekwasi animu. Shede ujina ho a okeka ye. Nanu yau. Enru 3 years, 2 years ya. What down won't say your friend saying, and ya na junior maintenance. And so Ghana,
Senior,
and I do meet you.
about yam to was here. A person video being kahona, what to me I also and this in mind be say, you tell like doom so by anyway.
Even in Accra alone, if you
Mama, ya friend Pama Mako, Panama Monica, wants to meet your yepa Mako, but you maintain video way, and this in man was it, we tia. Also, this is when they are saying threats. We see a maintenance, we also see a lack of fuel, we also see a Nipana Yadosu or mine. So, in the same part, actually, there is 3 explanations. Now, Papa, when the explanation is very, very, very particular way, and this is for the I don't understand. Sa Papa way, and this is Manu Kone or in charge of finance or kita position. You can say a very important agency with kita position in charge of finances. That Jimmy Sema kind of video now and understand. Listen to what this guy said. Listen.
Have you observed, even in Accra alone, if you try to count the number of cranes in Accra, you could get over 100. Just between 2024 till now. So the number of high-rise buildings springing up in Accra alone, many people are not checking that.
More power is needed.
So what? Increased consumption?
Yes, and increased consumption also puts a direct stress on transformers because if
but you
Mamenka, Mamente, I drink quite chikakra. NDC for BBC Asemusia or man kasa 24-hour economy. We see a beton and pay a benyan and cocoa. We see a base we the namha. We the way to Nabasa. Now we the namha. Now we the namha. Inti womo de asamba Uti edi American. NDC4 asamoba ebafie asembi ba obi abeka ne nkwasi adwen de we be kire ne de wa na we yaka ne de basa de asema ho kan osua fi John Mahama ho Mahama ka kire yen se Ghana for cell phone bebrebe too much time adum so ejina so bebrebe no nobody a short memory na ya ho kan ne ba ni John Mahama ba ni osua fi papa ho nkwasi afo nkwasi asamsa John Mahama say Ghana for you keep cell phones bebrebe enti na ama your friend say dum so adoso we Jimmy Sam na all can say and so say me say a platform rally I say ana ojina na all can say onko kawie ya obenya Jimmy for me aboy nsem pra ya be badge so eyezu o say yensa okay enti sa pepe na omote high rising buildings eteki electricity na when you breso ni esi dan do say ya people do breso when you breso when abanya ben look during the time of President Akufo-Addo Baumia, look at sky the udru Accra to me say yes Accra Ghana is changing.
Yeah. In fact, my video be oha Ukrainian boy be washer now expose to Omoanka so say he don't understand why he can afford to about the TMP but all that to us.
So what you say? Sky high rising buildings say okay. Share unim bibi. A dime pianiwa under John Mahama oba ya yesi. Se usi abrosan yan se o shekra dru baby a e wo se o twen mane wo yesi man 1 month ugu flow a oba beto aso no abrosan bia no e de your friend say 3 months 2 months esi e dan ya yesi e boso de obetumi de 3 even 2 weeks kra edi esi because unsi bi emfan to aso okay enti high omo ba ban mu yi yensi dan bia ma obi ankotena mu nka se ye bi hotel we ya no e wo John Mahama breso dabi project bia omo start ye bia ye wie there is nothing any of a completed project omo wie enti nipa sky nipa bi kasa na otena se dwen ho a otumi se nipa we no adwen yankasa no nyansa nyame de ma ye no he lacks it onibi on shed the nisa adwinibi enti sa crofo say no na wato o magu baabi John Jinapo he is dancing to his own music obo mribi ana ene ogina mu a osa bobobo John Jinapo na mamemfa se mi mfantwam ohun se baba Amando e post to John Mahama so wa shed den because of say John Mahama oni abadaye no onim nyansa onye obi a wotema onye eja onye papa ntino omye koche no obi to me penti ye friend saying Donald Trump to say prakoti omo ye demonstrate I share their placards and grow for ye when your friend say or your friend saying or tima or ja okay or wakomapa na wakwa akochi baba Amando enrochi ya Captain Smart it was say JJ Rollins who ye soldier 4-5 and your friend saying nurse 4-5 soldier 4-2 and you kum papa no once or two what is here chino discrimination intimika say when I say intimidation and violence is back, intimidation against the opponent in politics under the NDC is back in government. This is one of them. Sanka NPP TikTok bipo keke. Ano unya just a slip of tongue. Eka sase moya. Akameno kasei yachino.
Yeah.
Fante comedy. Any boys in some omuki kan ye. Enya sembia. Elso ye den yachi womo. The culture of silence na odiabano. Nyame adom. Uyo OSONOBA tie. Nyame adom. Unya akwenya free radio. So uti TikTok. This is the time. Constructive criticism. Chajo Jojo Mahani. Eni jinapo. I would say, utumi trouble John Jinapo sa or papa to her, always say, or one and son say, yes, akuti bia ni niwra. Enti bonachi ma John Jinapo was say, oh yeah, the most first born of incompetent father. I dia won into only a first incompetent son of John Dramani Mahama. Okoto onwanoma. Okoto onwanoma. Enti John Dramani Mahama na wo John Jinapo ana odi na beto yeso a wonim de wo ye wabon onim hwe
wabon papa juma no ye nso ni na me we young people for yadam for the video or the person comment wo meeting about chira
yentie me nia yentie.
This situation today can be termed, as the slogan goes, doom so. You can call for it. My voice. You can call for it. We cannot term it that way. You see, the term doom so came when the outages, you can predict that, oh, this evening will go off. You go off, and then at times you can be there 2 days, 3 days without getting light. What is the current situation? We have been told that most of the transformers are weak. Most of the transformers have been overloaded, so they are replacing them. And then if you are here, here, Joy News, if the transformer servicing this area is being replaced, can the light be on whilst they are replacing the transformer? No. Automatically, power will go off for them to replace the transformer before power comes back. So I am happy that this current government is doing that.
Pacho, Hobson,
Hobson.
Hobson, hey, Hobson.
Or your whole classy, John Mahama is your Hobson. Caneno, now you who say a journey of four, obitri who and any baby and if he say a yansa, a yini. Cane Sara, if you know, say a journey fita. Obitini, o yiniana ni timi esha se daddy every tuntum akofita na yen kwala na yefi se nyansa yin grace ene no nipa bi te se hope na doye atumi afusa enwi white we bi ma odin te se ogu adwene ho adwen anima ase wa me hu se obi enye obi e wo fu dwene bia no nim nyansa hope or the most hopeless. So utie Hobson, uye youth, uye NPP ni, na utie papa we asema, nenkwasi asem tumi kumu sunsum. Enti sa Jimmy Ford say, sa nipa say no, minia, tese dini kwa ni dini babegu wanu kwa ni wadu dini. Waya kwa siyami ya de, tese odumide. Wa Jimmy ya, o tese, Hobson ye nipa biya, okay? Me who how to describe him,
But college power, so to me, Ghana for him say where you do so.
Say, Nenkwasi asema sebi okayi, enyumre oyama me can some way, so me dear tem, you see, and me nature, but I have to do it. Look, Nensa Okaya was say, timetable near the, and then yeah, timetable ya okay, say the time will say light before off. Not or refer to NPP ye time ye doom so with just few months and ye doom see crowd and then ye doom so nay doom see then no maybe ato chimaka crowd and ye see and ye the timetable by ye say hey ube droof you know sabre say ye be doom no ye introduce timetable.
Yeah,
could you believe we said John Jinapo timetable Ghana 4 years on per timetable no he had to consult your friend is saying Napo. And yes, will be saying, yes, John Jinapo and his team had to consult Napo and his team. When he say NPP, as we speak, yeah, the whole energy sector, yeah, what energy, yeah, your friend is saying ministry, shadow ministry in the NPP. We have our men, we have the people. They had to consult extensive to get such timetable near the abano. A fake because bibi and yet the real timetable. Where your old timetable nana NPP use no and the idea more no be use. Enti what to make us a beko or light beko of 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock nenko. What to na echo 6. Because it is said your exams are yama wapo wouldn't baby the question exams question we cry no wouldn't baby the answer shit. That is what we've done for them. Udio to ube hunu Ghana for become mukase bedum ne 3 light echo 8 mukase 2 hours a also 5 hours. It's a fake timetable until Hobson kwasa sama okaye no on se ne kwase ani ne jemi age ne dwan the to hwe nanim. So I don't know. Because why? Was it Sabren and a Tumso? This one can't be termed as Tumso. Now, since at the timetable na bay, and also my friend say, may change or beba or back na baby, a to me, I will defend it. Nanka when ya konya ma NPP for to one to me a hunu nyansa. I'm a nyansa na Jimmy was a rebelled NPP member. Any NPP member be a rebellion. Because also regional NPP, NPP, be no obey Jimmy for. What do you check in history? Yet the 2 NPP mu, and ma fear nyansa, ye ma school nyansa, me empower. Now show who film. Now you want to make Matemeho, and I make a dom NDC pe, no obey Jimmy. Now when him Kennedy, ni fear na bosom ni nyami on sumuno. Eda who cried muka crack because or general papa.
Yeah. Very deep. Or take it very deeply.
Yes. Enti adie mean frimu ana menko ana hwe eda obe frimu no eye ne downfall asa.
Easy.
Yes. NPP ni a wajimi no. NPP ni a sabi wajimi no. Any NDC ni a onimi nyansa wa polish. Sabe pepe o de opa ye no omu nyina na call school ye no omu nyina wie school pepe ye no omu bibi mo agi same certificate enso wo mo ne ye no omu su ti bia ye ma omu nom meeting ase bi omu kokohia nipa hu nso bi enu omu nom e de ye ti ma omu nom eti wo pia bonten a no wa ye jimi ne ye ne yes ne no ma bia ense nipa adwene. I'm telling you enso bi omu ekokoye nyankoma de ne no ma bi omoje e de bre NDC fo omokoye me say NDC nye meeting enkonkoye meeting enka say ya wi aboso mpaye na obi anko fie da bia ba ko be hura fampomam o ba ko be fa da bia entokosi
abane se kan
be piem enso enka ye fie nkomo ana ye kwa kodie enti NDC de Odi share Captain Smart, she Jimmy, Odi share Akwayi Kevin Taylor or USA. Oh Jimmy, Odi share Odi Jimmy nkwa. Jimmy. Ya no sa ti bi ma ube Jimmy sa. Okay? Na yenka ni emfa yenkomo imra eyi se Ghana akuafo. Nyame nka mo. De meka akire ma no. Nyame onka Ghana akuafo ho. Because economy no
video
yo
for
yo
I mean more video no we are na waka self for no pacho that no yes maame awisi maame mary awisi akodidi osofo bi atem right
aye
afei media no my she na sofo bi na atem na unimu nyansa yeso yonko no ensem bebre
aye
na no so ye ho ana video fufuro bi abase papa bi yesi efe no Julius Debra the matter so say yesi oye chief of staff ekodi ne birthday ewo asori mu a Pentecost asori dem mu a yesi okosusu bi we dem pese me mo so no nchira na wi a na ye wo kaka ho waka to aso ama
yo
the chairman, you know, myself, Honorable Elder Ofusoampofo, our local government minister, and several others are members of your church. A few days ago, one of our colleagues, Dr. Mary Osi, slipped a bit against you. And I want on this occasion to commemorate my birthday, to let the whole church forgive us. It was just a slip. It wasn't intentionally done to malign our church. I believe sincerely that you forgive her and forgive us and accept us as your children. God richly bless all of you.
Senior.
Hey, Chief of Staff, it Ghana's Chief of Staff, only. Na meba Udina we chief of all the staff apart from the president, you know. Chief of staff, government staff, you know, only chief. You have the power to fire and to hire. Okay. Say chief of staff, extra letter. Yantua bamfa new amwa ma baimu. Na chief of we appointee. Chief of staff, extra letter ne. Eka se ne tinafie. Uniano. Chief of staff, abino HR. Okay. We a human resource manager, Emma government, no. Ejuma yefo nyina hye na ejuma ye ni ba ko wankasa adebone ya waye ma wutumi so as chief of staff. Ama wo wutumi efa na ejuma yi na di no. Wakola na ye bi no aka wakoma ma wa mu wasu nkwase asun. Wabra wa kwanya se oh ade a wo wa ye die. Ebo so sister maame tenanchan kakra me nyi wadimpo but me suspend o. Uti bi fina no. Ghana for momi anwen hu yi. Anka wo weka no aye bone. Ade a wo ka ye no aka wakoma ma wo kra na aju ayi ama wo so. Udi e menyi na dimpo enyi na di. Fa wo pen na wo paper kyerɛ krata fa kɔsɛ sister minua ba e wo mesa me na me fa wo adwuma wo ye ekuo ba enti wo de tena se kakra pressure e wo system nim minyi wadipo ma suspend wo no kra keke no chief of staff want to me anye no wakogina wo su hey se nantwi bema ase nantwi a ne baayira ne nkwase asu ne kwase trebiesi ese ne nkwase akonso Julius Debra ago ho ani mase wo presidential ambitions ni nyina no ato nsuo mu eda wo su ye no wama John Mahama so ankodi na chi ja okra na wanu no ho obema wo nkrofo no omo no compete nyina no obia be hu se we or you weak wagu achemfo ani mase wagu Eastern Cape fo ani mase Julius Debra wagu ho ani mase oyere kra efi na ko obia wo aka se we cry baby oh fui like that. Oh fui like Julius. Our power to sack anybody. Wakojina ho na ma. Sa sunwe nkwala blame na Yesu.
Na sunwe odwene say Yesu ankasa na se na acting.
Meba. Esu no Yesu. He got emotional, okay? Oyenipa, he got very emotional and he could not control it. Oh, so I share me share a video no kakra no John Mahama to na was re. I say akwa nyabema. Akwa yo fui. Nobody will tell him say konako pretend so. Minia share a mema ye ntansu. Debi ya meka say mema yesu in bulk. Bema bi asu an. O on tansu o kaka no ma azisis wona brabo ntia da bema so osu pa. But
yeah.
Oba bia oba otia oba kra na ni so your friends ni so eba e malta su enti e man e was asuwe wo ye jimi fo pa bia de wo no hwe ni ti sesrebo na kwa sia bema we mo na omu lidi Ghana enti ufisi yebeko yanim he is one of the obabet na we so happen nipa 3,000 something and ya hwehwehwe no watwere yenyu omadi because NPP na fa wo ana oyi omo nyina di on tia omo tia woka sankrofo no mo tifie ebi wo yere ebi ni wo ma omo ntumi nhwe wo mo bru nua no ana abegu ani ma ase no ye kama sem no enua bro a oma bro your friend is saying Julius Debra ana ababeto no hey nipa oyi o ma di no obi abeje ne de mako in the NDC government because they are very very incompetent. Incompetent, very irresponsible leaders. And Ghana, Ghana currently is retrogressing. Ghana is not moving forward under the NDC. We are retrogressing. We are go. Now no make us say Ghana. It is a kaya active free. They are reverse.
No control.
No control. Na Ghana T free and call and T free konachi anka John Dumelo and nam na watchemu. Me, honorable member of parliament, Jimmy for Obiba or creating one district, one factory. No, what they one individual, friends, jollof rice. And your bago, cooked food, cooked rice, or restaurant. I know the 1,000 Ghana tour. Me a chichi be brady. I'm not nam nego the car boot. Now or chairman crofo. Now ayawasu east for. Now because of lack of knowledge, you can't say Hosea chapter 4 verse 6. My people perish. You know, they destroy. You know, the knowledge is not there. Into Wajia no bron in some. Ha! Akwa the obedi MPs forever. Hey, John Jumelo or go Juma because wacha more. Wacha ne mu wama ochiche mu ayanwa enye mu bag you
mu ayanwa
face mu ayanwa kosua ne ye friend say akoko namdaso ana John Dumelo oche member of parliament entina meka say NDC ya banya aniwo ne ferie eni wo mani so onisa niwo no ankentisa anka utumi hwe koko akuyafo hwe the most poorest nipa omo bopa wo Ghana papa yi be ye koko adua koko e wo ne mofra brema nyini aya be ya kokra minia ye onisika ye teto ho onisika pension kra wo kobia ye na nisika nkakranka otumi ahwe wo manim John Mahama we wicked. What to me a shem kokrafo ne mrewafo nim part wo mo koko sika 1,100. They want to me and kushin wo mo hwe amansan dwaso. No problem yate so. Enti want to me and hwe ye ma menu manim aka say we mu de omo de mobo. Oh John Mahama John ukofie ne wo pension no. Ube didi ato so obewu. Teacher ni e wo pension. Ayese Ghana ni ya wotu kwan wo ayi and also sabe obi a wa we business the bia would also to meet sika kakra edit to for wodache because after 50-60 years no wa ho odin yes na tie biem Ghana yes Ghana kuyani oba kokra ya na mobo na entina me de we twa to say the most painful thing na e wo wiase ne say who obi an ho kire no ye mobo pa wo hunu so ono ankasa no ho mobo no ya pa also fan ejawa awere wo a wu saade no na saade that is how our NDC for Amagana for believe say hey unim the echo bia no pepe we are doing better. John Mahama is performing aban papa aba ofui ana aba betena yeso a ye koma o ha nipa adwen na menka osono manyina ho mum ye hunu se ye hu ahi. Okay, osono bia osono ba ohu ahi meka se ye wo to ho ugina brane from omofra brem ugina brane to say ubedi so many years we are saying the elephant does not forget and it does not just die. We don't die in our youthful age. The party is still young. The party has to grow. The party must grow to become older than Ghana. Okay, and the NPP is going nowhere. Obi Obeka say NPP begu, NPP aguno. Sini who? Kacha say who begu na NPP. It does not matter the breakaways. It doesn't matter the base. It doesn't matter the whatever. Listen, the NPP is here and it has come here to stay and to win power in 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, His Excellency, your best sworn in, your best sworn in 2029. Obabe, President of Ghana. And Komano, your best Twasubiem. John Mahama is back, and he's back with Dumso, and he's back with incompetence, corruption. He is back with lack of creativity, unnecessary expenses. You got a private jet. Now you entry Dr. Foka. You got a private nurse Foka. You top private jet, okay? And so you to mean to your teacher Foka. John Mahama, is serving the interest of NDC and his selfish interest, and his people loot, okay, and share aban. Friends and family aban, and John Mahama. And you read, Yamin can be beyond. Now, on my yen, I am by. Near Mompa, my NPP penny for any communicators in Mr. Mafu, Minia Mafu, Yamin Wow, who channel way in grow Nankonanim.
Amen.
Enkonanim.
Amen.
Enkonanim pa.
So yeah, that's the probably pioneer or contribution. I think sir, you have done an amazing job. So thank you very much for coming, and hope sir, this will not be the first and the last. Hope sir, we will have interactions as time goes on. So bet me abana what too many are doing combo na what can they want so with your point of view. But as here passing man, hope say yeah, I will invite you here again. And I want you to tell me when you want to come. It will be very beautiful if possible. Yeah.
Yo, thank you.
Thank you too, senior. Yamenka. Yes, senior man, Osonoba, and I know a D and Como away. Now, Abusian for Hobson Hobson and Doye, Yasimo. Hobson and Doye, see the bay, or say, Sadia and Echo and Yede bay. Light na you don't do or say and you do so. Hobson say and you do so because say no NDC and next. At the NDC and next, dear. On to me, Cassam Fan, the NDC abai. Into the NDC abai by piano. To him is good. Now, as you look at the Akasim, be a trim. Nanado is a man of wisdom. Nanado can say, somebody who cannot give you light for 12 hours. How can that person give you 24 hours stable electricity for you to do the 24-hour economy? But Ghana for Yantie, we were listening to Nsembunuma say we listen.
4-hour economy no. The ayaba ni say abai ebecha electricity boa ewo from kura edi ama enyuma yefo a mo beba adwuma anajo no ma be ya adwuma. Enti mo amoye fundraise, mo amoye welders, mo amokura eka se ne dia manema mo hia electricity pa no mo penufo na mo adwuma emfaso aba mu a mo be sign ne na mo ba adwuma anajo use electricity a na ne boa eden akofom wo mo aye iron rods ene aye amu use enyamu awode kese no mo be ye mo adwuma anajo a wo be hu se enyamu awode boa be kofom pa aboa mo ama mo nya mfaso na maburu no so wo mo anya adwuma aye. Enti abana anteni a 24-hour economy num na muji tumu a eno eye game changer ewo oman Ghana.
Eye game changer wo oman Ghana mo enene mo na amanfo fish. Hey, Roger Yankopon se mo wiase o. Amanfo mo to mo fish agu ene a wo mo tiam game changer na sabio as you don't get your car, no name say game changer papa bim, but any game changer papa. Game changer papa ne say Crofano electricity no modi ye enyumanye aduane di. Game changer ne say Crofana omodi electricity ye adwumanye bibi edi. Omunyuma egu. Omunyuma essay. Mami we dey could power ho ni fia nkasa na ahye. Enti say game changing na papa we na oka ho asem no. Eso mfaso ne say. Say yes, business. NDC for say Ghanaian businesses with this doom so. But omo ma won kan omo ma won kan. Okoka yes na we party and the MPP ni na wo washeda na wo sabotage say how can you say MPP Nina a create a doom so in the country? Abra unim se problem ho. Abra wan kasa unim se fuel or be provide ama generators na ye juma. E dia provide electricity na more mine no. Wan kasa unim se oni fuel no. How can you say Sabio AOB and a yes idea. Why? Dishonesty. Dishonesty at the highest level. And then in Krofwa, Omoto Niamadigu freezem eton. People are crying. Anyway, look at this video. Watch this video.
Say na mo yele dey. Nese kankwa.
Yes, eti we de mo ankasa masum already yankopon. My beautiful lives now to musu to me for now watch Ras Media GH on YouTube and on Facebook. But the Mikasa na bana we you also to me for now watch the number no and a dash no. Me twen kakra obi amfra me de bibia besi. But meanwhile moment here dum so no aginsem e Ghana man.
Queued and voted for them. They didn't vote for this. Ghanaians didn't vote for Dumso. They voted because we were here when we were told, say, even 1 hour and Kenya Dum after 2016 a haram in this country. Yeah. What happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah.
DNSC. Why are we experiencing this? And nobody is saying anything to anybody. Nobody is telling anybody anything. The other thing say ECG4, way. Yeah, I mean, are they? And now man for bra. Frank, I'm being honest. Media crowd they said me Makacho. You know, over here with there's a generator.
Yeah. You have a plant over there.
But even with that crowd, how long can you keep it on? How long?
Na beje di say na no menda just am spark me car sisu no ma connect me phone no e dia maka na ansa metmanya light metmanya battery me phone so over here asemo you am no me I just look at them sometimes I don't want to talk the same thing me say on the 15th of March 2024 in the Dubik Muso catcher said they are going to do nationwide transformers of other cars at time no within a space of 3 months omudum light in kwa 4,000.
Yes, Boba, the fire brand is coming. Yeah, Mister, your friend. The fire brand. Yes. Mami say more. Na apomu to say. Yeah. Yeah, the young couple. Wow. Yeah, no. Yeah. Oh, you'll be out here.
Yo, Chia will know what food and Yami show Bibia no my ya akudro I did best for answer way. Near to me at 2028. And one I may bomb fire. The bomb fire my others and be a wood still be because it is hard ye pretty.
Yeah, for sure.
Ye pretty pa ya young capade. Yen sat up of at the abbey. Yan tasaya diyan sa ako po ebian bonia onipen to me yede.
Any
Any de amayo. Nti yan na yan breeding yan samusa. Asama ya brai bekai bibia ni wa enya nukrewu. Nipa bebre no no kwa na adwene sa o. Me no mi enu nya ne anim the truth say the moment Ghana for the kwakoto diama and this from Ghana is doomed forever.
Yeah, of course, we were aware.
Yes, yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Na me in particular, me see I know kasa na na. What you see ka do a bontin for about one. What more will blind who what more will send sikasa yan panto teachers. And fama what more beto ma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Scorpio no money na etna yi. What people say sika no was support to be. Fan say ya the pan bet me higher than aqua campaign at the Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. nipa stanisika, but and then you know to me either.
And the original one thing, yeah.
What you say, because not your name set or your nyansania. We are looking forward for him to come to continue what Nanado have left. It's Mr. Mafumi Busa says, Sagana for Nyansa, and now move to about the man, Dr. Namudu Babia.
Okay, we are saying, okay, father, Juman or Tuaso.
Yes. So what you say? But I now say, how do I put it? Should I put, excuse my language, and Kafana?
Yeah, fast.
Or the from your friend, excuse my language. I'm not putting it because me, excuse me language. Yes, to me. Mr. Mafu, yes, to me. We are the most fool in the planet. We are the most stupid human being in planet. Me, I'm in for you, yet to me for bringing non-people like Mahama. Incompetent Mahama. Huh? Or sister, speak of one little boot for the end of the day. Chan who she are here. Now, when you say, excuse me, don't know one, or do a while and poor money you. Or do a while and pass yourself any to trust them as for Kubo, some who bombing. Let me say yes, Mimini Gangalia. I said it in many platforms. Some agency, some judge, or put the power proper, they are the youngest. So it will ever train AI and plan the idea. Open your floor, and they are teach to doing that. Because
municipality.
but yet we are Ghana, need you to Ghana. Oh, who start there with Debbie, Mr. Mafu, why? Because I put it down. I put the doctor at the I'm money by reason of the body. That's one why we or we are no what that. Sana Mahama catch them, and then they catch them. Mahama and the catch them. Mahama throw insult on you guys. Sir, what did you fall? Moody and AI and digitalization. How can a man who has his mouth like acid, Mahama not to say acid, to say on one plan and what any woman? When it comes to Mahama, action say, woman never a social media for the information. What was Mahama Baba the camp? And that's what pro. I first day you forgot the shoes that Casibo, the shoes that still Kakuma Jina one you were a candidate. Aqua for the same
Judas Debra.
Judas Debra. The most fool. Of course, you know what? You know what? Oh, me and the man that can so say as soon as I know it's fake.
Yeah.
Because I never friend. And you cropped out the John.
Yeah. Fully crock the jaw to say. Yeah, he didn't intend to cry. Just missing share.
These people is trying to collapse Ghana. Ghana yesterday. You beg and eat. So what I say? You beg and eat. That is what Mahama wants. That is what NDC. They are forcing. They want to destroy the country completely. No, I'm not the carpet for. Not a move back. Can I empty back? No, but obey the chronia. No one said, or be a poison. No one said, no, must have food poison. One man was venom, engines before. It's a say, you can't say, or move look to at them near for. What you say? I'm going to look to a man for a month, yeah, Nitabia. I'm going to try, say, I'm going to destroy citizens, Abrabo. It started from the founder, Rollins, now. So, that yes, someone can't just say, and someone are not from my university now.
Yeah.
Because Mr. Mafo,
Crocro the jaw.
who at your hair, who didn't first Tania, can you move? He said, that upon what Nana something for so many years, what time as man. I don't know what he's looking for. We knew the offer. If you would hear of the big crab framer, a man know what to say. Or come in a way, all come citizens, you know. So what I said, we are strong. A dear man, and in young for the Mayan. Say, I'm fine, and I am fat and say, or no rather no okay. But we wisdom. But we said your best secretary, who bet no one will be. Wouldn't you upon social ma obey day? Over one. The apostles to be said, over penny for aya day, a boom. And no aya a dear bakwa if you may rather pa. Someone to 2 million and 1 junior transfinism, a idea a year rather. But should you end this bar, Mr. Mato, should near ma or muya or manimu? Almost try divide. Almost try separate, almost try to make it, and some at the 3. But me can, I will be at me a santini, 100%. And now, dear me, and this never pass Mama, my dear, did the appoint or I don't know, because NPP, NDC, almost back to say, or clamming back, or did it fall as so? They back like a bad mother dog. And I brought from Mr. Marco Boame. Krama Batan, NPC, a back to say Krama Batan.
What can you pa?
Formal of 4, a Krama Batan, or did the ball as so? No one the man of ball as so on the one. That is how NDC behave. NDC, Omunye pa. They do a good man. They shock you. I'm going to say a boy, a son consul. Or no one, I'm going to say, or no one. We are no staff job, baby, no one, some that is how NDC are. Omuye master destruction. Now, Ghana for when you are why a student that some of our.
Yeah.
Cannot a student that some of our come, Mr. Mafu. And then I want to say, so it means that what would do something about the man and this? You are a fool.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine a happy come. But men, so what the end this million of what that comes say, Mamma, solid free UK, the cocoa this we I mean, did that because I've been blessed with 2 hands, but you don't come up with your juma. No, my family. So what that way. Then what never no more read. That means I say I didn't see I mean juma. Because we know and yet we in a day a juma is coming by bed.
Yeah.
No more we have been enough for the pray our moon a man in Moon or Moon. Nancy so or my dear normal human beings.
Yeah.
Because sorry on say open the Tiana that kind
yeah, responsibility.
Sorry, or you're responsible. Look to Ghana and the man you are in a year or some mamma was say, more we are. Some will put your name, Mamma Petitia, come home. No more papa this is what this is what the top I didn't cheer what the Nigerian thing at the bush we are. No more have a pay my mom with your mamma, no matter. I did see our officers can never free in about Mr.
And you will suffer.
You will suffer.
You will suffer.
And then I brought Papa Basua. Not all my Ghana, no, with the innocent people to step for Quacky, or pure drama, or pure a bro, not young on your income, and not a banning guano, and then I survive what any mano. Not and this is one part their phone. Mamma, or ball as sono. Not on my back, or free ball and also. Up a fienny, a fien, Mama Papano. About the dear brother, almost said, me and when a ball and no sooner a day. What I say, I'm over that time, mother catch them say, about with your one, your papa, the air ban in a day, a papa. How can a human be, how can a leader, you are leading somebody, who will say, Nanka, or Nini, and I will sell electric, and Tina Winya Kanya, and Tina was so power, to me, Nakanya. Who say, Abana was free swallow, and I will take that. Are you normal? Hey, my dick can't catch him some from Mahama, and what I'm not going to on the normal. So did the energy minister on the normal, Mr. Mafu. So I say,
yeah, of course.
And yes, they know about power and over the honor to say, I pay 5 days as a 3 days, not yet. Yeah, 40 petrol.
Yes.
Okay? As a good leader, as Nanado, any doctor like Mahmoud Baumia, would interact with his MPP leaders. Omukono with transition, everything was perfect. Nanado didn't came and meet any money, but on the transitional outcome, he left money for Mahama. Yeah. Mahama, aren't you ashamed of yourself? People say, competent Mahama, aren't you ashamed of yourself? You are a disaster. A China woman, how would disaster, but who you bad luck? Bad luck, anybody who associates with Mahama is full of bad luck. Number three say, no bad, never bad the thing and not to the Hey, no. Yet the thing is saying, Nipa na war, and you send the performance for what to say, no, or to train on for the young family wisdom, or to train is a fear for la, and you've been in Mahama and in Arajano. Number three, some of Bettina and not doing Munama, but the doctor like Mahmoud Baumi and Munam. Asa. Huh? Number three, some of Bettina and Munam. Any natural the wisdom and I the tune criminal of the one and I don't know. Number three, some more Babette. Mobile again, I'm with the other. More coming into a sooner junior report, and I'm with the other two Ghanaian citizens. Huh? A come, your hunger strategy to come to Ghana for. Where? I'm going to say MPP to me calculating Yama Beble. Omu to me calculate, omu to me raise it. Etina, you D11, no, and then you know, Modiaba, omu to me publish in Prama Ghana for because this is for MPP for penny for no, omu declare calculate. So you one video now, Mr. Mafuta, Upa Gala, 5 for Petra, and I say, yeah, who is the Cadubra almost in a day?
Yeah, baby, the
news said, of me from back. Na me say, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, when I mean power, I say, na me wa, it's me baby beer or fix my country for me. Yami mani ye mame, the Sabupan one chink of food we are wow. Me do we out. Me do we out. Na me catching up upon so on no more what more thing. Don't see you come and for a father Ghana for. The cow, my dear, about me at 16 and never be but more dear. With God to sit in, I go to sit and who's the young moon. What was that? Baby, I go to sit and wouldn't be a cop.
You'll be an imbaby of Monaco.
Okay, D11 is to sit and baby a cop. Or move baby. Not a mood be $60. The only thing these people know. When they are going to sleep, they dream of waking up in the morning and smelling
money
and smell where the money are.
Yeah.
So of the papa Korea. Institution be a mobile be a absolute Argentina as a leader will buy pet insurance. Yami Pana Baye. Not general papa, not general, some of Fanon Panta. Not general, so now who pass Ubanya, a dear, abodin eto and will be a some Mahama and the buyer. Who want to near to my answer can answer to you. Not dear will not buy your baba and health insurance can I go you there by Mahama K. Aren't you stupid? Ah, and then what can a fool does that? Who can't then show say Mahama can I would be another health insurance for you. Because I not be a Mahama can. Oh, that will health insurance. And I could be a Mahama can. That come out for time. You work for it. What can I have? Abba sister Ghana Futika and the house of not having friends.
Edi amawuya.
The moment we had good yato, the Mahama say, as some way American, maybe bois. Say, but in an and close to the man, oh, the Ghana. Only Bia. Hey, almost survive you because I approve. Not Ghana is that. Instead of the on the winning. Because Ibrahim Mahama, who got covered
Yeah, taxes, Granon, Pia taxes.
Or yet, airport, I was set down for more money now. Okay, but you more on the abba.
Yeah.
What the airport was go look on. That all you go. I pretend to be a day. They go on my mouth for. That's what Ghanaians should watch. Ghana for and share a camera. The Yama or Babayo. Because, Mr. Marco, anything to do with Mahama, I don't trust it. Anything to do with Ibrahim Mahama, I don't trust it. What you say? But the Ghana for every woman in the home. Now, I would have one a good woman. How do you behave like this? I will not your plan. Then I can't have the time for you. Now, who do what the compare and I do? Who stand yet? Who expect on the strata? Who goes under yet? Who will be trying to finish on what I say? So, because as woman not was this a year. And yet, I just was this a good. What kind of a man is this? Huh? Open you now, who got you? Or you will be platform because from the never platform anyway. Yeah, and yes, it is that glad to now go and American master Kakra. What you now want to talk and no Mahama and nobody neighbor and I'm a boy.
Yeah.
And I'm up for fun about that. I know what one I know, I won't say any day. Please see you on a no walkie talkie come on, keep on so that now what's the any day. You help Mahama to come power.
Yeah.
And I'm not one when you know that rules.
Yeah.
The money you didn't work for, you are taking it. The sweat you didn't sweat for, you are taking it. And do you think that the cry of the innocent citizen not to allow you to go to the Mama?
No, it can't happen.
Would God allow them to go free? Abra Obi, Asorian of that, I think you great well. Yes, sorry, I'm a no nine of a papa or sorry, every sister. The thing that would create of no good well of the sister. A few of the crowd, a canny, but I would make it of the and sugar, they are of funny manner. What I had done. Because the can listen to me. And was some say, Rebecca Krawai. And I'm the mob of one of the man ever of that. Make me so careful about my
Oh.
Now, Yama and now we what you say. Let me did a mistake. Yes, Mr. Marco. Yes, Ghana for and you have to put you and your dear queen. And then push a Western dam over and over.
Yeah.
And you made the way.
Maybe you made my head. I'm going to put a pen on my head.
Put your book ahead, you come at the best of what you're Mr. Mafu, and I'm so school time and class of coffee was the who has a ability now.
Oh.
And the president does that. Huh? President, what to a memo? I think I'm saying, what the one yes, I say. Transparency, he's speaking you. Oh, I don't know, but I'm saying, I'm what you want. I'm going to say, Nana. This is that would be the no place that we go with this one. And you don't mean no place. Take a back. Because who you are in it, one night, two, one night, that you were what's the young one night? Who's the young man? I will go. My next is it not sad?
That is sad.
Who and this is for much more compared. What's in the cinema? Okay, I didn't try to come. I could see some Dabrabayak.
Video evidence, but I still am.
And fire what we get that of and then try to say, I was that and that's the good mind.
This is
Yes, you know. The cow with that woman. When you pass for a project, I can't come out. And kind of the man and one of women in my head. That the mouth. Who won't be control, won't me. I shut a deal with you. Now we are president. We are number here. We are the president. I want no vice president. And the move to no one. We interact up until something like you was on our tomato. When you meet the Namoka, and some of the person, some swap and I'm for man, Mr. Matthew, I mean, come and last.
you know, short of me. I mean, come. Emma, everybody, ma, and I tell you, and the firebrand, or Trebia Gum, I. Emma, yesterday, a banner of the the rule kwakwapi amechari pa dollar matepa why senior man obeba na next na set ken meche ye pa because for things there is no other call to the one besi ana yankopon ye na eboa achina let me assign another episode about me any meter was media it's on YouTube me no besi a but yankopon eboa asaya pa meche me aba na akua afro pa me tia ye pa me ma me ama me tia me ma me Monica me tia sister Esther Kebari ma me tia ye pa and you dollar me tia Frank afro me tia ye pa and o nya come tia na ya ma me ya afro ma me tia o ye pa chacha do fo nyina ai deru kwaku apia chacha mu nyina da mo ase ene mo bre de mo besia mo tsa nakopo ya aduma yasan ababeto aso akira bu nyina to meet again yo